it. Ah, it's okay. Milk.
Yeah, no. What did you get? Ice cream? Do you want? No, but what did you get? Why are you doing? Like, what do you want?
No,
it's not that simple.
I'm on live, girl.
Hello.
You don't know who I am, but we know.
We don't know. Nami, you're the most beautiful angel ever known. Thank you. Why is it like an outfit change? I'm for sure. Brenda Adonis na inkoko. Je suis heureuse. Did you eat?
No, sure.
Do you want it?
I want some juice. I want some Fanta cold. Oh.
There is nothing now?
No.
Ils ont fini là-bas.
Oh my god, 1,281.
Mr. Kuma, are you proud? No. Let's Non, c'est elle. Oh. Tu sais, j'ai fait une interview hier. Et il y a des gens qui m'ont dit, ah, pourquoi t'es là, t'attends quoi et tout. J'ai dit, je suis là pour une... J'ai dit, je suis là pour voir quelqu'un de très 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 important jouer.
Oh my god, bro.
Benim nasıl bir aşısı?
Like a dog is chasing you. Like, you might get your ass beat, you running for
I don't even think I know how to
ever in your life. Yo, that's insane. That's insane.
What do you mean?
I had when I was a child, but I don't remember.
What do you mean, Adonis?
Huh?
What do you mean?
I know you about to lie, but let me ask you anyway.
Yeah. What do you think? What do you mean
When's the
about
last
the
time you ran at full speed? Like
Let's
your
do it.
full speed.
Like, let's do it.
Like
Let's do it.
like a dog is on your ass.
Let's do it.
About to bite the shit out of you.
Let's do it.
You run. I want to see all. I want to. First of all, y'all
Wait, so you want us to run?
Second of all, I don't want nobody to hurt themselves. And I feel like none of y'all have ever ran that full
Oh, we did.
speed.
Yeah.
So
let me tell you a story.
I feel like since y'all hit 10,
let me tell
I
you
feel
a
like
story.
from 10 up to now.
Let me tell you a story. I was chased by a dog.
When?
Bro.
When? What? How old were you?
When?
I was really young.
Yeah, exactly.
But still, how old?
You probably haven't ran at full speed since like you were like 12.
Yeah.
You like almost 30.
I mean,
Girl, not 30.
I run, but not really.
No. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about like you running.
Like run away.
No, I don't want you to.
No, we don't
Your
care
husband
about
not
hurting
gonna
each
blame
other. Let's
you.
run.
Your husband not gonna blame me because you pulled your hamstring.
Let's run. First of all. Okay.
I am, but this is a real question.
Yeah,
but let's run.
This is a real question.
No one is wearing, apart from Kelly.
Okay, I will record you. You gotta.
Yeah, even me, I want to know. Like,
Ooh, even better.
Yeah,
you wanna go full speed?
yeah, let's go.
I want to do it.
I'm not running.
Okay.
I'm already not playing. I ain't trying to make it worse. Listen, my hamstring is hurting. I know y'all about to do this.
Let's do it.
My hamstring is hurting. I know y'all about to do this.
But come on, guys, come on this side. Like you run from here to. I'm on live.
What is life?
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Jawa's YouTube channel. Waciye kwirukanga mbere agiye kwirukanga na Kelly wari wirukanga. Mwiruka mugenda hariya hirya. Mais non.
Chérie, il faut pas jouer avec moi. Hein?
Non, mais tu es folle toi. Kelly uriye ko atinye.
Brenda. I'm on live. I want to put everybody on live. Kelly na friend. Mugina muje kura Donisare. Adonis. No, they go like this.
Oh, no, you're not filming this.
I am filming this.
Okay.
I'm Kai Sinat.
No, the only way I'm doing this is if Naomi is filming not.
Non, si moi aussi je veux le faire. Oh yeah, Kuchi live, Kuchi live. Kuchi va Kuchi live. Toi qui va pour le. She's such a bully. Okay, come here. Now Ivan, you're Kuchi live you. Ibikorwa bibiri biraza kongera hano hantu ba. Guys, I'm Kathia. 2. Oh my god! Can you run like she's T'as vu le TikTok de
Kelly running so determined.
I know! She runs like this with a fist!
She was determined to prove me wrong.
Kelly, I am a Koti!
Hey, I'm gonna wake up sore down this morning.
I know.
Okay, me too, I wanna run.
Yeah, do the when the friends run.
Mais moi j'ai pas de... Navidad.
Moi mes chaussures c'est des talons.
Oh! Okay.
Next time we have to do the one TikTok.
Sally cussing me out.
Tu vois que vous connaissez un TikTok when everyone goes full speed.
Chouchou, elle est chouchignon. No, now what? Watch me.
Oh, aku pernah aku tak tahu Amerika.
Yo, that's amazing.
Jani, udah kita.
Baby, let's go.
God damn, on live?
Baby.
Yeah. Cook that shit, bro.
I know you
Cook that
Let's
shit.
go.
Cut that shit.